In today's video, folks, I'm back in Wirksworth at Peak 2CV, so Dottie can have a quick service and an MOT, fingers crossed. And our 2CV's already up on the ramps, look. Good morning again, Jonathan.
Hello, Paul. How are you doing?
Fine, thank you.
Good.
How's the car doing?
It's alright, I'm just changing the fuel filter. It's a little bit mucky.
Okay.
And we're changing the oil.
Now, of course, it's no secret that our 2CV hasn't done many miles this year. I've got quite a bit better excuse this time, though, I guess, this year, with the virus and stuff. So what work are you planning on doing with our 2CV then, Jonathan?
As little as possible.
Okay. That sounds good from a cost point of view.
It doesn't need much. We're just going to change the oil, grease the kingpins. The knife edges should be okay because it's hardly been used since they were done. A general basic checkover, obviously we've already checked things like the lights and the horn and windscreen wipers and washers and things like that, and general MOT stuff. So grease the kingpins, check the kingpins, check the wheel bearings. I know what they're like really because I know the car, but I always just check them before an MOT.
If I remember correctly, I think the headlights, you've never got chance. Obviously, you set them here the best that they can be set.
Yeah.
But I'm just thinking maybe the headlights may.
They will be done at the MOT.
They'll be done at the MOT anyway.
So. I set them up roughly against the wall where I've got a rough, proper beam pattern and height. See, that's a well-fitted kingpin. That
is it?
Yeah, because you can see the grease is coming out where it should do, through the bushes there.
Yeah.
Quite often, you find that the top cap's not being fitted properly, and it comes out sprouting out of there, or it comes out the bottom cap sometimes. So that's doing exactly what it's supposed to do, that one. I just noticed as I backed it in, it was just winking a little bit, so we'll just put a bit in.
It's nice to see a solid floor. it's a floor. Well, it didn't quite have a solid floor, did it?
It didn't have a solid very much, really, before. No. Apart from the chassis.
So I polished the car on Monday because it was a gorgeous day Monday. I don't know what the weather was like here.
Oh yeah,
and then
it was very nice.
And then I've been watching the weather forecast ever since, thinking you better not rain.
But it doesn't matter what the weather's like.
No, I know, but when you invest some time making it damn bloody shiny, you kind of want that shine to last a day or two.
I think we'll have an advisory at the MOT on this wheel there.
Right, okay.
Just makes a bit of a noise.
So if it's only an advisory, what would be your plan for the wheel bearing then?
Leave it. Leave it, unless it's a real a bad one, and that isn't that bad.
Well, I certainly.
Really, they go on.
I'm not hearing it. Put it that way.
Anyway.
But maybe get done this time next year, or.
Depends how many miles you do. If you do 20,000 miles over there.
Oh, I'm hearing you. Well, that'll be about 10,000 times to the garden centre then, won't it?
Change your wheel bearing for free next year if you do 20,000 miles over.
Oh, they do. Do you know, folks? Can I sign up for that deal? Do you know, from a cost point of view, I'm just trying to work out what 20,000 miles would be versus the cost of the bearing. But yeah, I hear you, Jonathan. I have said on camera before that the car is driven nowhere near enough, and I do update what the mileage is, and it is rubbish. I absolutely agree. And although the virus is part of an excuse for 2 months this year, it's no longer an excuse, is it? So it can be used. How do you want to describe Andy, Jonathan?
Be careful. How I want to describe him, how he should be described, are two different things.
Well, I already like Andy, folks, because he managed to find some sugar to put in my tea. Jonathan's not particularly a sugar person. But Andy's a new person at Peak, so we now have 2 people at Peak. I'm aware then, Andy, that you've got at least a couple of 2CVs, is that correct?
Yes, unfortunately for my bank account.
What are they, exactly?
Knackered.
So was that one. That was the same until Jonathan sorted it.
No, not compared to Andy's.
Oh no, mine is. I've got the daily hack, which is constantly being filled with rust weld.
Okay.
And I've got the infamous buzz, which is in many pieces, and yes, needs millions of pounds.
But they're still yours.
Yes.
And they make you smile. Oh, come on.
Nothing makes Andy smile.
The sun's come out just in time to look at our shiny and now serviced 2CV. I think she looks lovely in this sunshine. I love the colour. And it's probably a good job it's our car, but I love the colour. Is it what, sorry?
If you want, go to a cafe or a pub.
Yeah, I'm just, okay, Thought I'd have a quick glance on the government website, which you can do in the UK really easy, and thankfully I can see that she's passed, and it looks like she's just got a slight play in the offside kingpin and an offside rear wheel bearing, slightly noisy. I can cope with that, and to be fair, Jonathan did pick up on that anyway before the car went in, but it wasn't bad enough to get it done. So I know that our dot is passed the test before Jonathan brings it back. Happy days. So I'm standing here now, hopefully waiting to capture our 2CV coming back down the drive. Might just stand here and look menacing. I've never looked menacing in my life, mind you, and wait for her to return. It's a glorious sunny day. Now I know a car should be driven and it shouldn't matter what the weather is, but having spent a good couple of hours polishing our 2CV before bringing her here today, I was a bit downhearted to see it drizzling this morning, but to be quite honest, the car still looks clean and the weather looks nice. If Jonathan comes back in a minute, he's going to think I somehow knew that he was about to pull down the drive, but actually I've just been standing here for ages waiting to capture our 2CV coming back. Oh, and there's a little note. Although Jonathan doesn't know this yet, I'm tempted to try and get another Citroen. Either a van, preferably a Cadian, if that's how you pronounce it, mixter, because I really fancy a van with the rear bench seats, or even a 2CV. You made me step back then. I should have had enough confidence, shouldn't I, there? She's back. Thank you, Jonathan.
It's okay.
Now, I have just said on camera, I kind of cheated. I looked online about 15 minutes ago.
It's gone on already, has it?
And it's on already.
Damn, that's a pity. I was going to tell you it failed catastrophically.